So I've been doing randonautica for a while now, and I feel like I'm starting off all these videos with that statement. But this time I figured I'd try it in a coastal area and see if we turn up anything weird there. I've been doing very bushy areas for all the previous videos, so I thought, why not mix it up for one? Try it in a beach area, and well, we didn't really find anything spooky, but I still did find things that made me think and question why it's there. So let's dive into this journey together and see just what it is. Alright guys, we're out here at Tin Can Bay doing some randonauticing to see if there's anything weird by the ocean. So, let's go take a look. Supposedly this is our first area. Once again, I know you guys want these at night, but we're doing another day one. The next one I promise will be night. But for now, oh look, even if there's nothing spooky here, there's some cool boats over there I wouldn't mind checking out. Alright, supposedly our marker is over here, so we're gonna go take a look. Not seeing anything overly weird. Apparently the marker's in the middle of the road, but it's more of a suggestion. We'll just look around. Oh wow, look at all the crabs. This is pretty cool. Nothing really spooky in the middle of the road, I have to say. I was going to check that jetty out, but it's a no-go zone, so it's time to give it another go, give it another spin. So I don't know about you, but there's nothing overly crazy in the middle of this road. Boats were pretty cool though. I like boats. Boats are fun. Alright, we're here at our next location. Apparently it's through this little bushy area, so this one could be more promising than that first one. Bit of a path coming through. Okay. Alright, well we're in the search area, and it's supposedly through here, so that's where we're gonna go. It's kind of like in this general area. It's right by the water. It's kind of like down in here. Oh, some beer bottles down there. These people just went past. I can only imagine what they're thinking of us just in the bush off the path. Supposedly in here is the location. I mean, there's this really cool looking plant. I'm gonna kind of try. Oh, I've just stood on something actually. What was that? Don't know, it's very grassy. Oh, it's just a milk bottle. Okay, that's nothing fun. Kind of like in here maybe. There's nothing really through this area. Some duct tape. Don't know what that's doing there. I'm gonna come through, see if I can come check through in the beach. Whoop. Alright, there's nothing really through that way. Don't know if the beach will really have anything either. What a beautiful little spot. You know, it may not always take you to something spooky, but it does sometimes take you to a beautiful side. Because I could just stand here and look at this all day. Some of the beauty in it sometimes. Well, as beautiful as this location is, I'm gonna try one more. On a bit of a time constraint with this one. Got to start heading home after being camping for a bit, and it's about a 4-hour drive, and traffic's pretty bad, so don't want to hang out here too long, but I really wanted to give like a beachside randonauticing a go while we're out here, so we'll give it one more spin and see what happens. But man, just one more look at this incredible view out here. Low tide is beautiful. It really is. Anyways, wind's picking up. I think it's time head back through here to the car and give it one more go. We just did it again, and we got a point, and it's all the way out in the water, literally in front of where we're sitting here. So let's zoom in. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not seeing anything out there. And maybe there's a treasure sunken deep under the water, but probably won't see it. Let's re-roll. Alright, I finally got one. Hopefully this is a good last one, and things off nicely. Hopefully we find at least something. Alright, we're in the final spot. This video is probably going to be a bit of a shorter one, apologise for that. But hopefully in the next one you can get the whole gang together with Will and Liam and head out at night and do some more randonauticing with everyone involved and see if we can get anything creepy there. But I really did want to see if we could find anything at a beach location, so that's why I'm doing this one. And hey, even if we get nothing, at least we get to see some cool beaches. Alright, supposedly we have to go through here. Yeah. Ooh, this one looks like it's taking us out into the mangroves.
It is.
That's new. So far it's been kind of just bushy and roady areas, but this one, we're getting some mangroves action. I like that. When I got the idea to do it by the beach, I was kind of hoping we'd get taken into the mangroves, and it seems we have. Looks like there's something hidden amongst the mangroves over there. Interesting.
Look at that boat.
Saw boats over there. Over there. Look at an old bottle. Has it got a message in it?
Let's go rocks.
Yo, fish eating rock. Liam would like
I
that.
would like to.
Heading off into a mangrove jungle. It gets pretty thick through here. Wonder what interesting things could be hiding through here. And if not, well, it's a pretty cool place to end up. Very muddy though. Not the best for thongs. Never mind, apparently it's this way. Okay, that's fine with me. I don't really want to walk through all that anyway. Alright, this seems to be the rough area. Alright, so we've kind of reached the point, so we've kind of just got this rough area to look around. Actually, pretty much right on the point, we have whatever this is. There's something clearly here. What do you reckon it is? I don't know. I don't think it's lifting up. It's like, whatever it is, it's right in there. It's like concrete, maybe?
Well, that's an old rusted wheel.
Old rusted wheel.
Yeah.
From what, I wonder? A boat?
Maybe.
I mean, it makes sense for it to be a boat, I guess. I don't know. If you guys know what this could be, let us know in the comments, please. I have no idea. It's clearly been here for a while. It's just got this mangrove growing over it. Have a look around here. Just see if there's anything else lying around. I wonder what that could be. Oh, look at the size of this guy. I think I just saw him kind of moving in there. Another one. Doesn't really seem to be anything down this way. There is that boat through there. That's pretty cool. And pretty much right on the marker though was that thing we found buried in the mud. Interesting. Wonder if the app just somehow knows these random objects are here. I don't know. It's pretty cool though, like, I have no idea what it could be, but it's an interesting find for sure. Well, it does seem like that's pretty much it for here, so I'm gonna kind of have one last little look around, little scoop around, see if there's anything, but I don't think we're really gonna stumble upon anything, so I think that's it. I didn't really find a whole bunch this time around, but hey, we got to see some cool environments, and I really do wonder what that thing could be. I really do. Leave your ideas, thoughts in the comments below. Shovel. Well, it was fun. But, yeah, who knows? Don't know what that could be. Do like where this one led us though. This was a fun one. A fun little spot to explore. We stumbled upon concrete.
Looks like concrete.
Well, it's definitely something. It's not
I don't know.
natural. I would say, yeah, this is concrete. Like, it's not really anything crazy, but it does make you think why it's here. Like, it's not like a crazy find. Yeah, this might have been maybe a concrete path one at one point way back. And perhaps that somehow connects up to what we found over there. Because I guess it looks pretty similar. So perhaps maybe, because there is a kind of park line through there, maybe way back, years back, there was a concrete path coming through here, went all the way out there. Maybe it was some sort of jetty, or I don't know, but whatever it is, it's like long eroded away. Who knows what it could have been. There's more out there too. Like, see that? It really does make you wonder, like, why it's here, what its purpose was. Like, you just don't know. I don't even know if you'd ever know. And it looks like there's even more little pockets of it out here. I don't know. I do wonder. It's like a massive outcropping here with some shells and other bits on it. Like, it could have been a path. It could have been way back. I don't know. Maybe this was a massive stone platform like years ago or something. I have no idea. I'm just throwing out potential theories, but it's so interesting. Just this little piece of concrete. It just intrigues me. It really just makes you wonder. Like, it's such a small thing. Most people just not even notice it, but it just makes you think, why is it here? What used to be here? You know what I mean? It just gets me imagination going. I love it. Kind of look through the bush here. There's not really any extra concrete bits, so I don't know. Theorize what it could have been in the comments below. I have no idea, but it's just so interesting. Just such a little thing, but if you really think about it, it just gets you wondering why it's there and what it could have been. And well, that wraps up this one. I did a bit of research trying to figure out if I could find any history or just anything on the place regarding what that was, but unfortunately I couldn't turn up anything. So that will be the end for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Next time, I'm going to get Liam and Will back together, get back out at night, and see if we can get any spooky results. But if you want more Randonautica, subscribe, and just remember, well, it's not always going to be spooky. Sometimes it just leads you to some cool spaces, and they're always worth checking out.